Hi, my name is Stephen McGee and I'm the author of Health Forensics. And we're here to review this experiment that is to do with human health. And these are all Dieffenbachia plants. I'm going to pull back so you can see all of them together. Now, this was a supplementation experiment, and all these Dieffenbachias received human fiber supplements. And we're going to go through those supplements, and as you can see, we've got a wide range of growth on these Dieffenbachias, and the worst is on the left, and the best is on the right. I'm going to start at the worst. I'm going to see what supplement I got. So this experiment was started in May 2014 and it's now January 2016, and this plant got methyl cellulose. And let's have a little look at its leaves. So you can see that it has miniature Dieffenbachia leaves on it. So the Dieffenbachia typically has leaves the size of your hand and heavy patterning. So we've got the heavy patterning, but we've got a miniature leaf. So that's because these plants are actually growing in radio wave fields propagating through my home, and the Dieffenbachia deforms in my home. So this leaf type is quite normal for what I see in my home, but it's not a very healthy plant, and certainly it's the worst plant out of the bunch. So let's have a little look at the next plant. Let's see what that got. So this is the next plant. You see the leaf size is a bit larger and the patterning is heavier. And there's another one, and we've got another one down here. So this one is doing much better, and we gave this one psyllium husk. So psyllium husk certainly enabled us to get improved growth. So here's our next plant. So again, it's a Dieffenbachia. You notice that the leaf size is bigger. So it's maybe a half-size leaf. So half full-size growth. We've got some smaller leaves further down in the plant. But it's definitely healthier than the previous plant. And this one actually got clay. So this is edible clay that people eat for health purposes. So you can actually see it. It's all accumulated on the base, and it actually offset some of the radio frequency exposure and enabled the plant to grow quite well. If I pull back, you can see that I rotated it because it's got much more volume in this direction. So I spin it back, you can see that we lose the volume, and that's because it was grown next to a window, so it's spread out along the window pane. It's a very nice looking plant. So this is our winner. You can see we've got the nice leaf size on it. It's not fully grown, and the retardation is coming from radio frequency exposure going through the home. But it's quite clear that the fiber supplement enabled it to put up very good growth for a toxic environmental exposure. So let's have a little look at what this one got. So this got wheat dextrin. So there's something about wheat dextrin that gives the plant much better growth in a biologically harmful radio wave field. I found that to be very, very interesting, and there is definitely an effect occurring in these plants from the fiber supplements. So if you're in a radio wave field, then it appears that wheat dextrin is probably the best fiber supplement to take, and the runner-up clay is probably also a very good supplement to take. So I actually take all the supplements that we used in this experiment, and I've noticed that my health has improved significantly since I started doing that and actually live in this very high-powered, biologically toxic radio wave field. If you want to find out more about the subject of biologically harmful radio wave fields, you'll find it in Health Forensics. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.